How to create Chegg account. Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Create Login and Delete, and today we are going to show you how you will be able to create a Chegg account. To get started, go to your App Store or Play Store in your devices and download the Chegg account. When it's downloaded, open it. Over here you will have 4 options: continue with Apple, continue with Facebook, continue with Google, and continue with email. You can choose whichever option is easier for you. Fill out your required information including your name, email address, and password. Make sure you use a strong, secure password to protect your account. Click on Continue. Now you will be landed on the Chegg account homepage. Here it might require you to add some additional information such as education level, subject of interest, and more. The Chegg app offers a variety of study tools to help you learn more effectively. This includes flashcards, practice quizzes, and study guides tailored to specific textbooks and subjects. This app allows you to access step-by-step solution to thousands of textbooks, making it easier to understand complex concepts and complete homework assignments. With Chegg app, you can connect with a live tutor for personalized help with your studies. Tutors are available 24/7 and cover a wide range of subjects, making it easy to get help whenever you need. The Chegg app is user-friendly with a clean and intuitive interface that makes it easy to find what you need. You can quickly search for textbook, access study materials, and connect with tutors with just a few taps. And there you have it. You have successfully created a Chegg account, giving you access to a wealth of academic resources and services. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.